Hello everyone, myself Dibya Jyoti. I have completed my graduation from Sambal University Institute of Information and Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering. After completing my graduation, I was struggling to get a job in IT sector. Some of my friends recommended me to join Evision. After joining Evision, those people trained me about hardware, networking, servers, security, data security, um, which actually helped me to gain some knowledge about this IT field. After completion of my training process, I got so many interview calls. Previously, I was not getting sufficient interview calls, but this time I got so many interview calls from many companies, and I was able to crack a good job in CGB solutions. So with a package of 3 LPA, so this is a very good opportunity, and those people are really doing good. So uh, yeah, that's
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.